Mame Mao Akwaba, Efa Umbra Ghana Sem TV GH so wafre me Adoye searching.
16.
Yeah.
I witnessed it. I just brought jump back go for the completing elections. When I make a job.
Yeah, 20.
What was America you move back at Chentia Kesibis you know. But say last minute na kufa do this guy. The champo tamu you call the ho. Tamu your 2 bags not the two. Say Mr. President. Hey, all this for me was it? No him. I back no back 6. No officer 2 na ba no ngwa. Oja no mo dia sim no mo dia 2 6. Be say na ne crab ba no ho. I don't know the way elections. Oh, your elections that no ye bra jambo. That no ye no.
See, ne crack and say. Hopeson, ne crack and say. Ne crack and say. And so, on no man it me winning election 2016. A do a blend and I don't watch it. And no ain't ne crack and say. Ne crack and say. Na nado ankasaka for long time. So many years ago, say, Obuano, Brian Champon Buano, on one so be adidi was a big nabontian between the numu to akase obu sorry, Obua campaign. Inti she say yan day. Yan day, when you dine, yati diabuano. Yan mo den she say. Na nado he say yes, I'm between sobana. What do you say? Adia a chimfo ayono, minim. And so send an ad wo hui. Na wa so nsade wa kohwe nkwa. Na wo wuo. En etua no soka. Eso bi so nsade wo kohwe nkwa. Yemfu wuo. Yen so ne nsen kohwe wuo. Ba wo de wa so nsade wa kohwe nkwa. Enso wo ba no. Wo de wuo na etua ne ka. Obebre wiase a wo bae. We ya wo ka kire Ghana fo no. Ebe se na do enyuma obeye wo Ghana na. We ya wo ken. Ebe ma na do ni mo nyam no tete ana. Obi nim say political party. The whole world. Your financiers, our party. This is not news. And this is not a DB as a BBA. We any news. We in a DB. My name is John Dramani Mahama. Still our uncle for Mobuano, a man every election. One enemy. One make us on one bet me one single person bet my party my possible. Inti se Obuano, ne crackran saying. Ne crackran saying. Kona kodwere wo yere nkwasi abra bol na animi no mubo no enne so kokodwere ho woni nam nkofo ase a woni nam ankwasa se woni nsekuru se ya na adidi no padwuma bi na ye adwuma na eso opeye na gya se woni nam se ya tete radio so ukoni ama wo envelope ukoni ama 10 cedis na odidi ko padwuma be ma tenten gram mo nam wo se na Gyimifuo mo ne nkwasa se mo nko anfa so bi ni so ko padwuma ye go and find something to do ye better than the we. Na wemu na obaye wemu na bewu ahoya honhom ne anibre honhom na nado hwan na enim se 2016 2017 enye ono nko a brenye Brian Champion nko a ye won krofo bebre omubu a party no ye wodwadifo ma ukomokola no ne kantamanto ne ade a eni kumasi keye tiare mo mag organize ye gigi sika ye we know e de bo a party MPP enso na we ase owie de na ne ko ye wunni ne wose na nadu wie no wode Brian Champion ye wunni na wose wona wunni nkai ya Brian Champion won kai yo utie se wona wunni nkai ya Brian Champion enyi na ba bia nka da se na nadu wi ni election 2016 no na nadu an ofa no contract ti wona wode wonya wo na wunni nkai ye ana wuri di wi a no wa yakokọ na wode wa no tutwi fom a Brian Champion entese sa ni para why onko gina ba bia gina nadu boni aye enti nkotena sa isa CTV ho mu fa wo Gyimi nkotena ho enkokiremu se de na nadu be dia de wie no oji Brian Champion mai all these issues we in the battle Brian Champion is smart be kasa kwase mu on smart Brian Champion smart se be dis kwase mu we ana Brian Champion en na ba bia mo na nadu ni mbone I mean, can I didn't check what? Brian Champon 2004 coming now. Nesu and opre and away 2 times where ya trauma no. And the baby obedi adi a friend saying, I true a same way by and I'm so ma. Ka say na sanity ya onu mo encourage no mo bo ma wonya sa abetifi a friend saying friends MP ya wonya ya wudi ye no. True na nado. And Dr. Mubawmia. What you say? And no moon nado ma ho de be support no so nya MP no obedi ye no. Brian Champon never be en kad say MPP government ofa no contract. Anado benya ebedi ade wie no se odini sika boa no ma wetimi win election ti no e wosen kokko onamanan de Brian Champon ahechiri no de tomato no so no obi ehu se aboa no de tomato no so ti sinka nanado na monanka Brian Champon hyenechi no ogbon donkomi mena ono boa mi o Brian Champon na boa mi o Brian wona woni nkaye enkaye a woni nti ana wayasa kwasansa ayi nso abono ukoka ha no obeka ha ukoka ha no obeka ha because woni nkaye nti nipa na ehu na betomre bi no ene de so otimi koba utimi tenaka ko TV station o betomre bi a wontimi nante nkoma a obeka dem ho na abehu se wadi nkwasesem ho na obehia nipa moa betomre bi wontimi tenaka ko no wadra ba ko sa TV station o wiase emre ye ni nkaso enti koso na Gyimifuo ya ai ahoya ene ahopersem nkuminya honho ene anibra nipa ya de ma wa wani nsonti ana awiwi se boachi bi na eduma yesi de wuchinchin radio station TV station na wudi didi we ya akofa ba sisi ya no enti ni krakra ne sen oti wa na wabegyimi wo ho ana sen so kotana ba bi se ai ya di wadwuma because of say no mo se oyire NDC one nim say oyire gift NDC ni everybody knows. Na obi a yesi wanya oyire ye ma contract no na do sama oyire mum contract doesn't make sense. See something oyire ne to ano e obra na ai efen sen NDC MPP for ma me for to nyum bebre dan na samwane Philip Abel film na wo so yam fa ma wo sesam kwa na nado onyina ba bia nyi Brian Champon boniaye Brian Champon nyina ba bia enyi na nado boniaye konya na beto ne na ye pre ana Brian Champon no wa mentem ana the same time ba yen so ni nim so ba be yes ha to sa bombo we yin na yin so wo ho still a chance wo ho ma no da achi obi ni ho yin ma ntinka ise na nado enkofa na nado mpachew efi we cheko ko kente na kok abetifi na kofa na fan tulu kon se de na fan tu pampam na fan chin Ghana na se de obo ami e ma mi enya sika de ye nti opa so se Brian Champon kwa na boa sponsor up the whole party na ma etwedi ba power and kwasi ase na mbali kesi ne kwasi ase je kan ya na yeme wuni de kwasi no oron kwa na di bag mako 6 ntro no de bisika bag mako 6 na nse yakotra wo so bomi ya che no na nkokọ ai contract de man se wonye nkokọ poultry farmer nkokọ won no sponsor for free SHS no o se okotra Accra FM ama mo dwen ho so ko yese mo de ne koyoku ne yakọ hwe ni isi mo wo se di peya ene de opiskedi wo Brian Champon ntro wesa no opiskedi de wo ye win interfere obinyantie o obi ansuma no se won na masisi ya oyesi na sika no Brian Champon me say de wo ye na sika no ope wo pa Brian Champon fences ya be hu kwase so ba ka na won tin sisia sika no ope kom di no sika wa wo see man poultry farm nkoko se on surprise the whole free is na on surprise nkoko na do yiri boni ayi no wonum income sika wo de be party mu wonum fa so obenya wo sa contract na
but the man ontumi nya hwe that is who St. George's o prepare ho eto na ni ma ontumi mbo that is exactly who he is. Now, and then me person maybe I say about NDC for mentality. Make us a first, no, I say I have no problem if you choose to let's say, defend your party, love your party, whatsoever. But there are certain things you can't defend. Niyama eho facts ewo hono. Uti, you don't go ahead and try to defend it because you will lose. And the reason why you will lose, and then they say, the things that you will be asked to provide to justify yourself, you won't be able to have it. Now, Adoye bi meya say NDC for we betna or Eyiswa, they are so quick and talking and making noise and everything. Also, like I know they are not bold enough to come and defend the nonsense they wrote. I don't know why. So we could just post to say, see, there will be 10,000 NDC people writing nonsense. Now, say, now this is me and you. When I was so with the law and I say, request, let us talk, they ran away. And the reason is one. Only fact to be able to back any allegation he makes. That's one. Only anything again to prove said they are all canonical. And when you saw the whole lamplight in the more, be an obedient MPP or NDC or a floating voter. Say, Utie NDC, no one said there be NDC and Kwasia for it's not a party I have to follow. So they hide behind screens and they write nonsense. And me, it is sad. Michelle, that saw camera mom. Come. When I was say they are making a talk, request and join the live. Show me your evidence. Let me show you my evidence. But no, they ran away. But to go right here, this is here, they'll be quick to come there because I don't know. They are not bold. Bold. The only thing they are bold about is stealing, killing, and destroying. That one they bold about. But when it comes to say they can never do that. I'm going to sleep. You put camera on, let them come and defend the same nonsense they wrote. They are not able to do it. That is why I actually stopped listening and actually paying attention to some of you. Because Sam George is a minister of state for Ghana. As we speak, he is the communications minister for Ghana. He has some authority. He has some power. Whether we like it or yes, whether we like it or yes or no, he still has power in. And how many do? There's nothing wrong with loving Sam George. That's you. I mean, your type would always love Sam George. There's nothing wrong with that. So keep on with that, okay? But listen, while this guy was in opposition, there were some famous words he said. Among those words he said were when he said, from the first budget the government reads. I did not say this, Sam George said it. The same Sam George, when the time came for us to go and register because of the surf-line, date line, and as I say, you started using new chip. He championed an academy called Stubborn Academy. Say we will not allow Ursula to register any new thing. It happened. I did not say it. Sam George said it. As a matter of fact, Sam George said they were using so much convoy in the Nanado government. And therefore, for him, even if he becomes a minister, he wouldn't use such convoy. I didn't say it. Sam George said it. That's why I said I don't get these things. NDC for shed I don't get it. Say, if it is a way to get people angry, or if it is the way to just show their shallowness, if it is the way to show some power, NDC is nothing to write home about. They just want power to steal, kill, and destroy. Because if I had said these things, then you can get angry at me. I'm only repeating something your own minister said. I have not said anything different. I have not said Nanado is the best. I have not said Bawumia is the best. I have not said MPP is the best. I have not said without MPP. I have never used none of those words. I only restated what your own minister said. Point in case, the same Sam George. A time came where he felt as a citizen that the LGBT community should be clamped on because it's not part of our culture. According to Sam George, not me, Felix, please. Now, for some of us who are Christians, we do believe what he says in terms of that. And what he's saying is that a punishment here, a war for one more omobey turumu or bad to obano. Yamanin more severe. Said the Abaya, they wouldn't fail to go do it. Enunti Namaya dear. Ye ministers are near good parliament when in Nara, except one who was NDC. His name is Xavier Sosu, the Medina MP. Every minister in Ghana supported the private member bill by Samuel Jata George of Pram that the punishment yayedema one year a year turumu one way your bad to obana sa no yentrim na yamane den yamane kese. Apart from Francis Xavier Sosu oye NDC ni ono ne de o twin hu fun se da bi onjin di se san crofo na te se ye twe omo aso de den no almost both NDC and MPP MPs ni nara e ka se Sam George, this is a good cause, let us champion it. Na osan hye ye bobi se ono no nyame ya adom na se na ban ba na oba bedi ade a obi make sure say saadi we obema ne papa opa appointed no John Mahama assign it in the first 120 days. Enya me na mekaye, please ebio enya me na mekaye Sam George enum asem Dora kusimichiao. The same Sam George esan beka kire ye say Akufo Addo ye nipa bone one ne ba wo mie ni na wo ya kronfo one ne ba wo mie ni na wo mu ni suban osoro ntua wonka bone ben na ado ene ba wo mie aye yesi galamsey ase yensu ase yasase na eye na ado ena wa yenhwe ha onim so wutumi obetumi di asolve nanso wa yenhwe ha ama Ghana oyene abeton yen in terms of galamsey me pacho enya me na mekaye Sam George enekaye ene nyame ye adom